Hi, so for this one, it says that a bank agrees to lend $10,000 now and X 1, 2, 3 X 3 years from now in exchange for a single repayment of 10 of 75,000 at the end of 10 years, right? Now, it also says that the bank charges interest at an annual effective rate of 6% for the first 5 years, okay? And at a force of interest of from 5, well, ends at 10, so at a force of interest of this amount, right? Okay, so this means that from the time that the bank lends 10,000, there's going to be an effective rate of 1.06 to how long it is elapsing from the time we receive 10K? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then on top of that, the next that we get from the duration of where this 6% is sitting is 1, 2, right? It's going to grow from an effective of 6 to 2 years, right? Now, another thing is that from the time that this period is ending, it's also going to grow at a force of interest of this amount, which means that this whole base would become e to the 5, where it's starting and where it's ending. So 5 to the 10, 1 over t plus 1 dt, which equals to 75,000, right? Now, let's do this thing. Well, we're going to solve for this one first, right? We can set u to t plus 1. Also say t plus 1 is equals 1 times dt, right? So 1 over u, right? So that would be ln u, which means that the inside would become ln t plus 1, right? Which would mean that if we were to substitute the 10 and 5, we would get ln 11 minus ln 6. And then afterwards, we would end up getting e to this amount, right? But based on quotient rules, this would, since it's subtracting, this would become ln 11 over 6. And since the base is e, we're just going to bring this whole down, and this whole interval will just equal 11 over 6, right? So let's just simply bring this to the other side, to 75,000, right? So I'm going to do that by dividing. So I'll do 75,000 times 6 divided by 11. And I'm going to get 40909.09. Now let's solve this part. So I could do 10,000 times 1.06 to the 5, which is going to be 1325 plus x. I'm going to do 0.06 to d2. It's going to be 1.1236. Now, then I'm going to do 40909.09 minus 13382.25 divided by 1.1236. So then I'll end up getting 24,498.78. So when I look at the answer choices here, it's nowhere near A, nowhere near 25,000, nowhere near this amount. So my answer would be closest to 24,500 because I got 24,498.7896, which I assume would round up to this answer.